Our product that we get for the reblend operation is mortar that's been sent out onto sites in silos.
There's no way of us getting it back into a compressed truck, so we can't blow it back into the plant to then put it back into a normal process, so we have to drop it into bulk bags.
The old system that we used to have, you'd have to pick the bags up, as you'll see in the new process, but you'd have to lift it a little bit higher. It used to be towards the limit of the forklift. It was very hard to aim it in because it was a very tight hopper. Lower it down onto a spike, you get quite a release of dust. If you had a blockage, you would have to, it was at chest height, so you'd have to lean in. It was a lot of stretching to get the back of the grate, to get any lumps or any problems out. And also, you was having to lift up and over, which is not great for the manual handling side. The dedusting side as well from the environmental, there was no dedusting on it. So it wasn't brilliant for the guys with the dust around them. For the driver as well, the access, there was no gantry or anything like that, so you used to have to use the truck's onboard ladder and handrail system. There is, an added fall from height risk. Yeah, the redesign process started when Craig Buttonshaw decided he wanted to improve the operation. He got Ewan McCallan involved and had him as the team project manager.
We highlighted manual handling, environmental, and fall from height problems. So our new system, the drivers have the gantry to have safe access to the top of the truck, so that minimises a chance of an accident there.
Get access to the tank safely because it's got barriers around it.
The hopper system's designed to break down, so it's kind of like a Russian doll where you can bring out the middle tub, put it on the ground, and it's about your waist height, and then you can bring out the spike again. So you can, if you have a complete full tub, you don't have to shovel that out, you can lift the tub and it will all come out the bottom on the ground in a safe, controlled way.
The other sides that have been improved, we've added a DCE dedusting system, which obviously better for the environment and reduces airborne dust emissions of silica. Also, we added a vibrator system, because the old system, if it blinded, we'd get a build-up of dust and you'd have to manually try and move that out or poke it through. Now, this system, you can put the vibrator on and get as much dust through as you can, so you're just left with the lumps rather than dust going everywhere.
The carton operatives are very happy with it.
It's been a big improvement towards health and safety. It's improved 3 of the fatal 6, and we are still continually improving the process. We don't think we've got it perfect yet, but that's part of being a CPI. We don't think anything's perfect. We're always trying to continually improve, not just this process, but all processes within the business.